So after three test matches, if I had to look at it being 1-1, it's a fair reflection of how both teams have played. There have been solid cricket being played by both teams, and obviously now these two test matches are going to be so important for both teams. But we want to break it down to just Melbourne now and focus on what we can achieve here. Get our things right, play well, bat well, bowl well, and take some good catches as well. These tours can be challenging. It's the same thing when some of these teams travel to India. It's very hard for them as well. So it's the same thing. When you travel abroad, it's not that easy to put on those big runs every time you step out. But especially talking about Gill, I mean, look, is quality. We all know that. It's just about backing that quality and making sure we give clear messaging to him, and not again like Jaiswal. We don't want to complicate too many things with him. He understands his batting really, really well, and he has piled up so many runs coming into this Indian team before. So he knows how to score big runs. जैसे मैंने बताया कि ये सारे लड़के गिल, जायसवाल, गिल, ये सब एक ही बोट में है। तो इनसे ज़्यादा इन इन ये लोग जो चीज़ें करते, उन चीज़ों को ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेट हम लोग को करना नहीं है। उनको पता है कि उनसे क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस है, वो सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है। और हमारा काम यहाँ पर ये होता है कि उनको बार बार समझाया जाए और बताया जाए कि छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जहाँ पे मैच अवेयरनेस, मैच सिचुएशन, ये सब चीज़ों के बारे में उनसे बात करते हैं हम। इससे ज़्यादा मुझे नहीं लगता कि उनसे बात करके उनके उनके जो प्लान्स है, उनके जो थॉट प्रोसेस है, उसको कॉम्प्लिकेट करना ज़रूरी है। ऋषभ पंत को पता है कि उससे क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस है